This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot from the remote controller on this device. So it is a very simple and easy thing to do. Take your remote controller, then set up a scene, open whatever interface you would like to take the screenshot of, then swipe downwards from the top part of your screen like that. Do that twice to open the control panel. And now you'll find the screenshot tile here or shortcut, so tap on it and the screenshot gets taken. It is also worth mentioning that both the screenshotting and screen recording will not be accessible to you if you do not insert a memory card into your RC. So make sure that your remote controller has the SD card inside it, which all those screenshots and screen recordings will be saved or saved to. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.